If you're planning a hike, whether it's a short-day trail or a multi-day adventure, the right gear can make or break the experience. I've spent a lot of time researching hiking equipment that outdoor enthusiasts actually rely on. In this video, I'm breaking down 20 of the best hiking gear essentials worth considering right now. Let's start with gear that helps you stay hydrated, supported, and prepared from the very first step on the trail. Number 1. N-Navo Rhino Hydration Backpack. When hydration is non-negotiable, a lightweight hydration backpack like the N-Navo Rhino makes a lot of sense. It weighs just 8.5 ounces, which is impressively light, especially for hikers who want to move fast without unnecessary bulk. The 12-liter capacity gives enough room for essentials like snacks, a light jacket, or small tools. While the 2-liter water bladder keeps hydration easily accessible without stopping. If you want hands-free hydration without carrying a full-sized backpack, this one checks a lot of boxes. Number 2. Trekology Trek-Z Cork Grip Trekking Poles. Trekking poles can significantly reduce strain on your knees, especially during steep climbs or descents. And the Trekology Trek-Z poles stand out for their balance of strength and portability. They're made entirely from aluminum, which provides solid durability without excessive weight. The cork grip handles are a big plus, offering better moisture control and comfort during long hikes. With a maximum extended length of 130 centimeters and a folded size of just 15 inches, these poles are easy to pack when not in use. Number 3. High-Hegged Survival Kit Set. For hikers who prioritize preparedness, the High-Hegged 250-piece survival kit is more than just a backup. It's a full emergency solution packed into one carry bag. This kit includes everything from fire starters, wire saws, and a folding axe, to first aid essentials, fishing tools, emergency shelter, and navigation tools like a compass. At 4.5 pounds, it's not ultralight, but it's clearly designed for situations where being overprepared is better than being underprepared. Number 4. Hiking Wear Essentials. Your hiking gear isn't complete without the right clothing, and this category covers everything from footwear to sun protection. For boots, options like Nordiv 8 men's waterproof hiking boots and Columbia women's Newton Ridge Plus boots focus on traction, waterproofing, and ankle support. Hiking pants from Tumet and Rapoo emphasize flexibility and breathability, while lightweight jackets from La Vivente and Real Essentials help with layering and temperature control. Number 5. Panku Monocular Telescope. If you enjoy spotting wildlife or scouting terrain from a distance, the Panku Monocular Telescope is a compact but powerful addition to your hiking kit. With a 52mm objective lens and prism eyepiece, it delivers clear visuals without the bulk of binoculars. Its 6.7-inch length makes it easy to store in a pack or side pocket, and it's ideal for hikers who want better visibility without carrying extra weight. Number 6. Gold Bond Friction Defense Stick. Chafing is one of those hiking problems people underestimate until it ruins an otherwise great trip. That's where the Gold Bond Friction Defense Stick comes in. This unscented formula creates a smooth barrier that helps prevent skin-on-skin friction in high-movement areas. It's especially useful for long hikes, hot climates, or multi-day trips, where moisture buildup is unavoidable. What I like here is how easy it is to apply and reapply without feeling greasy, making it a practical addition to any hiking pack. It's a small item, but one that can make a big difference in overall comfort. Number 7. Coghlan's Magnetic Bear Bell with Silencer. When hiking in wildlife-active areas, making your presence known is often safer than moving silently. Coghlan's Magnetic Bear Bell is designed exactly for that purpose. Weighing just 0.8 ounces, it clips easily onto a backpack or belt loop without adding noticeable weight. The built-in magnetic silencer lets you mute the bell when noise isn't necessary, which is a smart feature for flexibility on different trails. Number 8. Wise Owl Outfitters camping hammock. For hikers who enjoy taking breaks in comfort or even lightweight overnight setups, the Wise Owl Outfitters camping hammock is a solid option, made from durable nylon and rated to hold up to 500 pounds. This hammock balances strength with portability. At 22.5 ounces, it's light enough to carry on day hikes, while still being rugged enough for repeated use. Whether it's for relaxing during lunch breaks or setting up a minimalist camp, this hammock offers comfort without the complexity of larger shelter systems. Number 9. LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight. Reliable lighting is essential once daylight fades, and the LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight delivers impressive performance for its size. It produces up to 1,200 lumens, with multiple adjustable light modes and a 60-degree pivotable head that lets you direct light exactly where you need it. The inclusion of red light mode is especially useful for preserving night vision. Each headlamp weighs just 1.87 ounces, making it barely noticeable during wear. The rechargeable 1,500 mAh lithium battery, water resistance, and dual headlamp bundle make this an excellent value for hikers who need dependable hands-free illumination. Number 10. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Cooking Gear. For those who cook on the trail, the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 stove is designed to be efficient, compact, and reliable. It runs on propane, butane, or isobutane, offering flexibility depending on fuel availability. With a heat output of 7,500 British thermal units, it's powerful enough to boil water quickly or prepare simple meals even in cooler conditions. The aluminum construction keeps the weight down at just over 18 ounces, making it a practical choice for backpackers who want a balance between cooking performance and packability. Number 11. LACFun Electric Lighter. Starting a fire outdoors doesn't always mean matches or fuel-based lighters. The LACFun Electric Lighter offers a modern, windproof alternative that works well in unpredictable conditions. It features a durable metal body and charges fully in under an hour, delivering up to 30 ignitions per charge. Since it uses an electric arc instead of flame, it performs reliably in wind and light rain. Weighing only 2.25 ounces, it's easy to pack and works well for lighting stoves, candles, or emergency fires when traditional methods struggle. Number 12. Funbro Multi-Tool Carabiner. Minimalist hikers often look for gear that serves more than one purpose, and the Funbro Multi-Tool Carabiner fits that mindset well. Made from stainless steel and weighing 3.52 ounces, it combines multiple everyday tools into a compact clip that can attach directly to a pack or belt loop. While it's not a replacement for a full multi-tool, it's ideal for quick tasks like opening bottles, tightening screws, or clipping gear securely. Number 13. Chiochuang Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets. When weather conditions shift unexpectedly, insulation and heat retention become critical. The Chiochuang Emergency Mylar Thermal Blanket is designed for exactly those moments. Made from reflective mylar material, it helps retain body heat while remaining waterproof and wind-resistant. Measuring 84 by 55 inches, it provides full body coverage while staying incredibly thin and lightweight at just 8.32 ounces. This is an essential emergency item for longer hikes, cold weather trips, or remote trails where exposure can quickly become dangerous. Number 14. WaterDrop Camping Water Filtration System. Clean drinking water is one of the most important factors in outdoor survival, and the WaterDrop Camping Water Filtration System is built for efficiency and reliability. This gravity-fed filter uses hollow fiber ultrafiltration membranes and activated carbon to remove contaminants, while maintaining a strong flow rate of up to 700 milliliters per minute. It supports up to 1.5 gallons of filtered water at a time and weighs only 4.64 ounces, which is impressive for its capacity. Number 15. Aquatabs Water Purification Tablets. As a backup or ultralight solution, Aquatabs water purification tablets are hard to overlook. Each 49 milligram tablet treats between 0.75 and 2 liters of water, with a wait time of about 30 minutes. They're available in multiple pack sizes and have a long shelf life, making them ideal for emergency kits or minimalist hikers who want water purification without added bulk. These tablets work especially well alongside a filtration system or as a fail-safe option when other gear isn't available. Number 16. Rainleaf Microfiber Towel. A microfiber towel might not sound essential until you actually need one. The Rainleaf Microfiber Towel is lightweight, fast-drying, and packs down small, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or multi-day trips. Made from soft microfiber and available in multiple sizes and colors, it absorbs water efficiently while drying much faster than standard towels. Whether it's for drying off after rain, wiping down gear, or quick hygiene needs, this is a practical item that earns its place in a pack. Number 17. Band-Aid Emergency First Aid Kit. A reliable first aid kit is something every hiker should carry, regardless of trail length. The Band-Aid Emergency First Aid Kit focuses on handling common outdoor injuries like cuts, scrapes, and blisters. It's designed for quick access and simple use, making it especially useful for day hikes or as a supplement to larger medical kits. This is one of those items you hope you never need, but you'll be glad it's there when you do. Number 18. Blasool Solar Power Bank. Keeping devices powered on the trail isn't just about convenience, it can be about safety. The Blasool Solar Power Bank offers a massive 49,800 mAh capacity, making it suitable for charging phones, headlamps, GPS units, and other essentials multiple times. It supports 22.5-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and includes 4 built-in cables, which reduces the need to carry extras. With IP65 waterproofing and built-in flashlights offering multiple modes, this power bank is clearly designed for rugged outdoor use. Number 19. Cleganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. Insect protection can dramatically affect how enjoyable a hike feels, and Cleganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets offer a natural, chemical-free approach. Infused with citronella, geranium, and lemongrass oils, these bracelets are plant-based, non-toxic, and comfortable to wear. At just 1.76 ounces, they're lightweight and easy to pack, making them a good option for warm, bug-heavy environments. Number 20. Hagon Pro Poncho. Weather can change fast outdoors, and the Hagon Pro Poncho is designed to keep you covered when it does. Made from tear-resistant 0.035mm PE plastic, it offers 100% waterproof, full coverage protection while still weighing only 12.35 ounces. Its loose fit allows it to cover both the hiker and their backpack, which is a big advantage during heavy rain. This is a simple, effective solution for staying dry without carrying a bulky rain jacket. That wraps up my breakdown of 20 of the best hiking gear essentials worth considering if you're planning your next outdoor adventure. If this video helped you narrow down your gear choices, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which piece of gear you never hike without. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.